In today's video, I'm going to teach you How to Use Trello 2025 5 minutes. Trello is a visual tool that helps you organize projects using boards, lists, and cards. By the end, you'll have a simple, flexible system you can use for work, school, or personal tasks. Start by heading to the Trello website. If you're new, sign up for a free account. If you already have one, log in. Once you're in, look for the option to create a new board. Give your board a clear, specific name that matches the project or purpose, something you'll recognize at a glance. Before you create it, choose the visibility that fits your needs. Private is great for personal use, while workspace settings are best for teams. Public boards should be used only when you intend to share broadly. Inside your new board, you'll see the core building blocks: lists and cards. Lists organize work into stages, and you can rename them to match your process. A simple workflow might be to do, in progress, and completed. If you're managing content, you might prefer ideas, research, writing, editing, and ready for publishing. Arrange lists by clicking and dragging them so the order reflects how work flows. You can always rearrange later as your process evolves. Cards are the individual tasks, notes, or ideas that live inside lists. Click. Add a card at the bottom of any list, type a clear task title, and press enter. As work moves forward, drag cards from one list to the next. That motion, visually moving tasks through your process, is Trello's main superpower for tracking progress. Click any card to open the card back, where you'll add details and collaborate. Use the description to give context, outline goals, or include quick instructions. Simple text formatting keeps it readable. Add a checklist to break big tasks into smaller steps and watch the completion bar fill as you check items off. Set a due date to keep things on schedule. Trello will remind you as deadlines approach. Apply color-coded labels to categorize tasks by priority, type, or category. Pick a consistent set so everyone understands what the colors mean. Attach files, links, or images relevant to the task so everything lives in one place. And use comments to communicate with teammates directly on the card, keeping decisions and updates tied to the work. That's it, a clean, effective Trello setup. Create your board, define your lists, add cards, and move them as you make progress. Open cards for details, checklists, dates, labels, attachments, and comments to keep work organized and your team aligned. Now you're ready to run projects smoothly in Trello.